very good afternoon, respected GM sir, Dr. Beena ma'am, principal sir, faculty members, and all the students. A very warm welcome to all the respected dignitaries present here. We all are gathered here to celebrate Medical Laboratory Professional Week 2025. As we've been through, have 6-day events, blood donation camp, blood grouping camp, hemoglobin estimation and other activities day by day in 1 week. Medical laboratory profession, a day to honor the unsung heroes of the medical world. Behind every successful diagnosis is the dedication of a laboratory professionals. They work silently behind the scene, but play a vital role in saving lives. Medical Laboratory Professional Day is a tribute to their knowledge, skills and tireless. छुपकर काम करते हैं पर कमाल दिखाते हैं कि छुपकर काम करते हैं पर कमाल दिखाते हैं, खून के कतरे में भी जिंदगी का राज पाते हैं, लैब कोट पहने फरिश्ते हैं ये जो हर रिपोर्ट में उम्मीद जगाते हैं. Now I would like to invite Dr. Shiv Saran sir upon the stage and present a small gift as a gesture to our Dr. Beena ma'am. Please come on the stage with a big round of applause. To invite Himanshu sir and Afzal sir upon the stage and present a small gift as a gesture of Dr. Shiv Saran sir. To invite Manisha ma'am upon the stage to represent a gift as a gesture of the Prachi ma'am and Kajal ma'am. किसी का ब्लड शुगर, किसी का सीबीसी, सबका इलाज हमसे ही है इजी.
लैब में बैठे साइंटिस्ट हम, डॉक्टर से पहले बनाए डायग्नोसिस हम. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू इनवाइट the student of BMLT second year to elegant as with their thoughts on the role of the lab technician in modern healthcare.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Sameer. I am from BMLT second year. आज के इस MLT प्रोफेशनल वीक के मौके पर मैं आप सबके सामने कुछ बातें रखना जा रहा हूँ. एक लैब प्रोफेशनल के नज़रिए से, एक स्टूडेंट के जज्बे से. आज हम यहाँ एक ऐसे प्रोफेशनल को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए इकट्ठा हुए हैं जो ज़्यादा स्पॉटलाइट में नहीं आता, लेकिन जिसके बिना हेल्थ केयर अधूरा है. मैं बात कर रहा हूँ मेडिकल लेबोरेटरी टेक्नोलॉजी के हीरोज़ की, जिन्हें हम MLT प्रोफेशनल भी कहते हैं. हम वो लोग हैं जो माइक्रोस्कोप के पीछे होते हैं, जो ब्लड रिपोर्ट्स, बायोप्सी रिजल्ट्स, इन्फेक्शन डिटेक्शन में डॉक्टर्स का हाथ बटाते हैं. हम वो है जिनके काम से डायग्नोसिस पॉसिबल होता है, ट्रीटमेंट स्टार्ट होता है और जिंदगियां बचती हैं. लैब कोट पहने ये लोग सुपर हीरोज़ हैं. MLT सिर्फ एक करियर नहीं, एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. जब किसी को फीवर होता है तो डॉक्टर्स टेस्ट लिखते हैं और हम ही वो पहले लोग हैं जो उसके पीछे के रीज़न तक पहुंचते हैं.
Your respected chairman sir, director sir, Beena ma'am, all my colleagues, faculty members, my lovely students and dear participants. A very good afternoon to all of you. First, I wish you all a very happy Medical Laboratory Professional Week. The theme of the program for this year is Lives Save Lives. And the purpose of the program is to recognize the crucial role of medical laboratory professionals and pathologists in healthcare, particularly in diagnostic and patient care. Medical Laboratory Professionals Week is a time to honor the unsung heroes of the healthcare. Their dedications, expertise, and commitment to patient care are essential for the functioning of our healthcare systems. On first day, means the 21st of April, we organized blood donation camp in Arogyam Blood Bank and approx 20 donors were donated the blood. We organized blood grouping identification camp and total more than 70 persons were benefited. On third day, 23rd April, we organized hemoglobin examination camp for female young girls in paramedical pathology lab. On 24th April, we organized laboratory decoration activities. On 25th April, we organized poster competition activities related to the program. And today, last day, is the last day the program, which includes the facilitate students, faculty and lab staff. In the end of program, I am giving a lot of thanks to chairman sir, directors sir, and their umbrella-like support and cooperation. And I am giving a very much thanks to Bina ma'am, Negi ma'am, for your active participation and valuable support in this program. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now next, a lot of thanks to our program organizer, basically Himanshu sir, Afzal sir, Kajal ma'am, Prachi ma'am, and other staff, faculties for their active participation.
थैंक यू प्रिंसिपल सर, आपने इतनी अच्छी लाइन्स और इतने अच्छे वर्ड्स के थ्रू हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें समझाई हैं और ये आगे हमारे करियर में काम आएंगी। थैंक यू सर। माइक्रोस्कोप के नीचे ढूंढे संसार, लैब वाले हैं असली सुपरस्टार।
ब्लड हो या वायरस का प्यार, सबको कर दे एकदम तैयार।
I would like to invite Dr. Shiv Sain sir and Dr. Bina ma'am on the stage. Ma'am, please come on the stage for the certificate. Please come on the stage the nursing student who contribute to the donation camp.
सपना चौधरी, सपना चौधरी, सागर बीएससी नर्सिंग फर्स्ट सेम, आयुष पाल बीएससी नर्सिंग फर्स्ट सेम, कशिश कौर फर्स्ट सेम, खुशबू, विशाल प्रजापति, मधु।
Representation is the poster competition. The first position is the sport number 2, Lavishna and Mehak. Please come on the stage with a big round of applause. Now the second position is the sport number 3. Samir, please come on the stage with a big round of applause. Now the third position is the sport number 4, Kanishka. Kanishka, please come on the stage with a big round of applause. The fourth position is the sport number 5, Mantisha. Mantisha, please come on the stage. Now I would like to invite the technology who is participating in the Medical Laboratory Professional Week. The first student is the Prince. Prince, please come on the stage.
Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, Mr. Anmol sir, Mr. Govind sir, Miss Priya ma'am, Mr. Aditya sir,
like to invite our faculty members for the appreciation. First is Mr. Abhishek Sharma sir, please come on the stage. Mohit Afzal sir, please come on the stage with a big round of applause. Next, हम represent करना चाहते हैं laboratory experimental setup competition. The first position is the group is pathology lab. Please come on the